Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now today, as y'all know, my truck is still down and out for the count, and I asked y'all on the little community post tab, I said what videos y'all want to see about my truck, since you know I can't really do much with it as of right now. And I had some people tell me they want to see a detailing video, and I saw some people comment that on a few of my other videos, so that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully it's good enough to just drive it up and pull it in the driveway. We're gonna pull it up, get it in here, wash it all up. I mean, it's just a yard ornament right now, so why not have a good looking yard ornament? I don't think it's been washed in probably over a month now, so I mean, yeah, it's pretty dirty. So we're gonna get it all nice and shined up just to basically sit back where it's sitting.
In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. In the sky, gazing far into the night, I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you. eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, 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 for you. Won't you let the light shine through? In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you,
Holy cow, did I forget how good this thing cleans up. I missed it being this clean. I'm telling y'all, it's been like a month or more since it's looked like this. I'm trying to walk away from it to talk to y'all, but I can't because it just looks so good. And I have to go in here because it's so windy out here. So we got it all cleaned up now. I didn't really go as far as I usually go into it just because, you know, I'm not gonna drive it anymore or anything like that for a while still. But I got it all nice and shiny. Pretty much just went over it with this little chemical guy's spray stuff. So that kind of foam you sprayed on there, wipe it down, spray it off, and then I just sprayed it again and sprayed over it and wiped it off or dried it off. But yeah, I mean, it looks a whole lot better than what it did. I don't know how good you can see it from back here, but definitely shined up pretty well. Usually it takes me like 5 or 6 hours to clean as much as I usually clean on it and how deep into it I get. But today maybe it took 2 or 3 hours at most, probably not even, just because I had to film it and everything. I mean, actually washing it was maybe an hour or so. Yeah, but I mean, it still looks good. But I really want y'all to comment down below more ideas that we can do while this truck sits here. I mean, if y'all just want to see some videos about things to do whenever you get your truck, things not to do, just stuff like that, leave it down below in the comments. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the stuff I was using today. So I got this little guy right here. This little chemical guy is just a little spray foam thing, and this actually connects straight up to the water hose to this. and this right here connects onto this, and then you put the soap in here, and I'll show you all the soap we use. This stuff right here is the soap we use. It's also by Chemical Guys Maxi Suds Extreme Grape Rush. Yes, it really smells just like grapes. And this stuff has worked pretty good for me so far. I mean, like, I use it basically every time I clean my truck. I use this. And then I use this little spray stuff, which is actually not in here right now, or something like this. So basically, I just clean it like 2 times every time I clean it. But guys, I think that is actually gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. So hopefully you did enjoy. If you like this kind of video, comment down below. And also comment down below any more video ideas you have. But like I said, hopefully you enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace out.